So I just got this in the mail, and I'm actually going to upload it right away, even though I've got a huge backlog of Postbag stuff, because I'm going to ask you folks for your opinion on something. I have a lot of electronic gubbins that are backlogged because I haven't edited them together, because, you know, Postbag stuff trickles in on well, not a daily basis, but, you know, every other week or so I get a new thing, and so I record it right away because I want to have the stuff, but then I end up with a bunch of clips that I then have to stitch together, edit, render, and then upload. So I'm thinking about going to a format where, even if it's just, you know, a couple of minutes, I'll just open and upload right away when I get Postbag, and I'll start just uploading the disjointed mess of other Postbag videos that I have, just to get them out there and off of my hard drive. But it would mean that the Postbag videos are going to be very short. So if you don't mind watching a bunch of videos that are really short, let me know. Otherwise I'll just start editing them together and trying to find a time when I can use my computer to edit them, because my laptop is starting to age and it just is not very good at the process anymore. So anyway, that being said, let's find out what's in this. It's very light, it's very small. I feel sorry for this guy having to fill out his name every single time. Yeah, let's see what's in it. What do we have? We have a kit. Oh, it's a little metal detector. Hey look, more content for the channel. So yeah, I built another metal detector on this channel a while back. If I remember, I'll link it right there. That there was this whole fiasco with Velamin and Princess Auto, and getting sent a kit that wasn't actually a kit, and then Princess Auto said they were going to send a kit and they never got around to it. And I told Velamin about the bad experience, and they were like, oh, here, have a kit for free, and they sent me a kit right away and stuff. But I saw this one on eBay, and I thought it was really neat, because the Velamin metal detector, which I think I have right here, it had you wind your own detection coil, which I was extremely neat about. The instructions just showed, you know, random windings, and I was like, no, I'm going to do it nice, so I did it nice. But yeah, so it had you wind your own coil for the detection, which was kind of cool. But, oh, that's interesting. Oh, random little lithium cell rattling around in my drawer. But this one actually has the antenna built into the tracks on the PCB here, which is very interesting, because it looks like the coils are connected in the middle there. I guess that's the way it works on this one too, isn't it? Let's see, so those are those 2 points. No, they don't common at any point, except through a transistor. What about the opposite ends? They go also through that transistor, and then this one comes... No, they're not common at any point, so why is this common right there? Weird. I guess we'll find out when we build it. Anyway, so that's that particular piece of post. I'll see if I can build this tomorrow or something, and we'll see how well it works. Anyway, bye-bye. Oh wait, I have to do my real outro, right, because this is a real video. Anyway, if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy from my channel. Right over here is the Postbag playlist, I guess. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to help support me buying more stuff like this, and maybe more often, because right now I'm broke and I can't afford anything. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.